Le Jules Verne, located on Avenue Gustave Eiffel, 7500 Paris, France. I really like the views of this restaurant because it's right over the city of Paris. You are able to see Paris and enjoy a meal in the heart of the Eiffel Tower. This restaurant is very classy and somewhere I'd love to go. Mon père mangeait la dorade marine. Il aime pêcher et aime manger du poisson bleu. Je n'aime pas les poissons. Ma mère mangeait la homard bleu à fort. Ma mère aime la homard. J'ai mangé la volaille ferme durée. C'est très bon, mais je n'ai pas aime le pois chiche. Nous buvons un verre de vin. Le vin est très bon et a un goût intéressant. For this restaurant, I think that the prices are a little high for the food, and that you're paying more for the view. The fact that the restaurant is located in the heart of the Eiffel Tower and having the views that it does, I think it allows the restaurant to charge such high prices. Regardless of being in America or France, you're paying the same or more for high-end restaurants because of the food, the service, or the location. But this being in Paris changes everything. I would love to experience something like this.